So when I first bought my 2019 Toyota Tundra, it had the OEM shift knob, which isn't really that bad, but it's stock. And for me, if I can customize it and make it my own, that's what I want to do. So I ended up going with the TRD shift knobs. It's lasted about a year, and this happened. All right, so this is the TRD shift knob that I had. Let me unscrew it. And you can see what happened to it in the Texas heat. It's not like I'm Wolverine or anything, so I don't know what really happened to the shift knob. All in all, it was a nice knob. I liked it. It was comfortable, easy to hold, but that leather right there, no good. Let's go unbox a couple of the options I have. So these are the two shift knobs. I'm gonna go through installing both of them and then ultimately picking one. The first one I got is from AJT Design. Go ahead and check this one out. Wow, look at that. It's got a matte black finish. It's got some weight to it too. It's really nice. All right, the next one I got is from Tinker Design and Studio. Wow, check this one out. This is actually their Velcro patch that can come off. The bolts are already on there. So let's take a look at height comparison here. They are pretty much even. The Tinker Design feels a little heavier. Look-wise, I think the Tinker looks better. So the first one I'm gonna try is the AJT one. Like I said, I'm not gonna do a full mount on this because I'm not sure this is the one I'm going to keep. It looks good. The weight of it's not bad. The Tinkerer. I like the style of this. It adds some color and it's got that Ranger eye patch spot. The weight of this one's going to be, like I said, a little bit more than the AJT one. You can pick different colors for this band. Little Allen wrench, tighten down the top. And the final bit will be putting the Ranger eye patch on it. Toyota in Japanese Ranger eye patch is the one that I decided to go with. All in all, I really like how this one turned out. It feels good in the hand. Like I said, it's big enough. I give it a 10 out of 10. Nice job, Tinkerer.